This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 24th of December. It's Christmas Eve. I'm Michael Groff. What you see is what you get out there. Cloudy, breezy, wet conditions, and that will linger into tonight. What about the forecast for Christmas Day and the rest of the week? Does the unsettled weather continue, and how long do those cooler temperatures last? Let's talk about it first. The almanac from yesterday, 64 was the high, 54 the low. That occurred just before midnight. And we picked up 0.02 of an inch of rain in the bucket officially at Sky Harbor. We've certainly had more this morning. Outside now, here just after noon, we've got cloudy skies, some scattered showers around, 54 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 50, humidity 88%, the wind from the east-southeast at 15, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, actually now here in the midday hours, 43 up there on Thompson Peak. That's at the nearly 4,000-foot level. Just about the rest of us are in the 50s. The upper air look, we've got this weather system coming through the southwest, bringing plenty of moisture, instability, and showers, and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm this afternoon, as we'll discuss. The watch warning map highlights those winter weather advisories along the rim. Yes, snow is coming down in Flagstaff and up at the Grand Canyon this morning and through much of the Intermountain West. Convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather. There could be a little thunder this afternoon and this evening here across southern Arizona. Even that risk isn't all that great. And here's the precipitation outlook valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. And this shows rain amounts generally at or just under an inch for Phoenix, around 3/4 of an inch to an inch for the rest of the week. So we'll see just what's going on with this weather pattern as we check out the models now. Have a look. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And there's that initial wave coming through, kind of negative tilt as it moves on in. So we'll continue with cloudy skies down at the surface. Chance of showers continues to the afternoon, kind of intermittent showers. Not everybody's going to get all that wet. I think the rain will be fairly widespread, but light for the most part. There might be an isolated thunderstorm, though, later this afternoon. And if you get parked under one of those, yeah, it could put down some locally heavy rain and maybe even some small hail, but that risk is very small. High temperatures, they're going to be pretty close to where they're at right now. We're going to stay in the 50s for the rest of the afternoon. Maybe some spot, especially out toward the western deserts, hit 60. Tonight, cloudy skies will continue. We'll have a chance of rain overnight. Lows mostly in the 40s. And then tomorrow for Christmas Day, partly sunny. And we'll still have a chance of showers. Another little wave will be coming through. Not really like today. I don't think it rains all day. But just know we'll have those off and on showers. High temperatures, again, mid and upper 50s. Thursday, still a bit of uncertainty with this next system coming down the California coast. More of a closed low type system. I actually think a good portion of the day will be dry here in Phoenix. We'll start out partly cloudy. We'll see the clouds increase through the day, mostly cloudy by the afternoon with a chance of rain coming in. And high temperatures get pretty close to 60. Then Thursday night, Friday, rain is likely. Could see some isolated thunderstorms along with this system. The latest GFS shows the trek of this system just a little bit further to the north. And so the better dynamics might come over Arizona. That would fuel a few extra thunderstorms and better chances for some heavier rain. But at this point, we're going to keep rainfall totals kind of on the conservative side. Nevertheless, high temperatures for Friday will still stay in the 50s. Saturday, we could start out with areas of morning fog. Then we'll see the clouds start to decrease. Call it partly cloudy. High temperatures get back into the mid and upper 50s. Sunday, around 60 for the high with partly cloudy skies. Again, maybe a few patches of fog in the morning. And then Monday, got another low sliding down the California coast. The GFS shows this cutting off of northern Baja, Southern California, and kind of lingering there for much of next week. The European has more of a deeper progressive solution coming in, but just know that we think it's going to stay dry here, partly to mostly cloudy for Monday, and high temperatures should stay in the upper 50s and low 60s. Now, here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 31st. It's New Year's Eve. And again, the GFS shows a closed low off the Southern California or northern Baja coast. Not a lot of confidence in this solution. There is a fairly wide agreement among the models that there will be a closed low at some point early to middle part of next week, but the Euro has it almost directly over Arizona and a much colder solution, maybe even a few showers. But this solution shows it much further to the west, and we would be dry. Let's go out 10 days. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday, the 2nd of January, going into next year. And this suggests kind of an omega block setting up. Low well off to the west, a low, a deep trough over the southeast U.S., a ridge in the middle over the Rockies and across the southwest. If this solution were to verify, we'd be on the warm side. Temperatures probably well back up into the 70s and conditions dry. But again, I will tell you that the European shows a much different solution here, one that would suggest much cooler temperatures. Speaking of, let's check out the temperatures off the GFS ensemble through the period. Highs stay below normal through the weekend. Then we start to warm up maybe for next week. But again, a wide model spread out there. So we shall see. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. If you enjoy our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. And you guys have yourselves a wonderful day. A Merry Christmas as well.